So now that I have my document, let's say I want to translate it into a different language. For Google Docs, this can be done by going up to the Tools menu and choosing Translate Document. When the window opens, choose the language you'd like to translate the document into. Let's say I want to translate it into Dutch. So I choose Dutch, I click on the blue Translate button, and then notice it creates a new document in the desired language. So now you'll have two copies of the document, one in the original English, one in the language to which it was translated. Footnotes intact. So that is one way to translate a Google Doc into a different language. If you're trying to translate a document that is not a Google Doc, right? Like let's say it's a Word file or a Microsoft type file. If you go to translate.google.com, one of the options you have is to translate a document. When you click on document, your options are a doc, that's a Word doc, a PDF, a PowerPoint, or an Excel spreadsheet. So if you have one that you want to translate, click on Browse Your Computer, select the file you want to translate, select the language you'd like to translate it into, and then you'll get a translated copy of that file.